Hey everyone, Greg with Collective. Wanted to take a few seconds and tell you about a new feature that was just released in Power BI called Object Level Security. Now, some of you are familiar with something called role level security, which allows us to put security on our data sets by setting different types of filters. Object level security is a little bit different in the fact that we can actually secure individual tables or columns inside of those tables within our data set. One example of that is actually if, let's say, you would have an employees table. And inside of that employees table contains a column called salaries that essentially just holds all of your employees' salary information. I can now secure that column so that only certain individuals can see the data inside of that salary column. So another great feature that Power BI has just released. It is in preview at the moment, so you can be sure that us at Collective, we're going to be testing it out and making sure that it does fit the needs of our clients. Stay tuned for other videos like this one, where we're going to be continuously updating you on all of the awesome features that Power BI has to offer.